In this problem, we want to find the IUPAC name for NiCO3. Again, the first question we always ask ourselves is this molecular or ionic? I notice that I have nickel, which is a metal, and carbonate, which is a polyatomic ion. And so this indicates that I'm dealing with an ionic compound, and so I'm going to have to name it accordingly. Now also notice that nickel is a transition metal, which means I need to indicate in the name what the charge is on the nickel. So let's look at first assigning the charge to the nickel before we write the name. Now I know I have one nickel ion with some charge that we're going to call X, plus one carbonate ion, and the charge on that is 2 minus. Because this is a neutral compound, the sum of those ionic charges should sum to 0, and so I can actually just solve for X and find that the charge on the nickel is going to be 2 plus. Now I can write the name of my compound, and I'm going to say nickel, and in parentheses I'm going to put the Roman numeral 2, and then the name of my anion, the carbonate. A couple of things to note here. One, these are Roman numerals indicating the charge on the nickel. There's no space between the name of the metal and the opening parentheses. We don't change the ending of the carbonate because it's a polyatomic ion. We use those names as is. Remember that the only three transition metals that we do not use Roman numerals for are silver, which has a +1 charge, zinc has 2 plus, and scandium, which has a 3 plus. Because for those three transition elements, there's really only one possible charge, so a Roman numeral is not needed. All other transition metals will get the Roman numeral.